Today we're just going to do a quick and short video showing the cleaning of my Tesla's rims utilizing Turtle Wax's all-wheel cleaner and iron remover. Admittedly, it's been around 5,000 miles or so since I've last cleaned my rims and they've gotten pretty gross. To start off, I gently spray the wheels with water to ensure I have a cool surface to spray the iron remover onto and to help prevent it from drying too quickly, especially in the Florida heat. You never want to let iron remover dry on any surface, whether it's your wheels, paint, or your driveway, as it can very easily stain the surfaces. If the product begins to dry up on you, gently spray the surface with more water, or, for the rims and paint, more product works too. As the iron remover dwells on the surface, it will begin reacting with the embedded, or in my wheel's case, very much surface level as well, iron particles, and will change colors as it reacts. If you had a clean surface with no iron on it, the product would not actually change colors. You typically see this reaction happen most on wheels, but it can also happen on paint, especially in areas with lots of iron dust, highway vehicles, and usually around the wheel wells where brake dust can be blown about a bit. Iron remover works by loosening and chemically reacting with the iron, which actually dissolves it over time. Most iron removers recommend letting it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes to let the chemicals in it really do the work for you. It is recommended to wear a face mask or respirator if using this product indoors, which is the ideal place to use it to prolong its working time, as it is a rather strong chemical and can cause irritation if inhaled. One thing that I have to give Turtle Wax credit for though, in that regards, is that the chemical smell does not linger after it's sprayed. I've used others in the past that made my garage just reek of it for a few days after use, so I tend to like this one a bit more than a few competitors of theirs. After the iron remover has done its job on the surface, you can either use a pressure washer if you had light contamination to remove the product and any residual filth, or if you're like me and have some pretty nasty wheels, you'll want to grab your favorite wheel cleaning brush and start scrubbing away. I tend to really like these microfiber ones as they're incredibly soft and gentle on the wheels to minimize damaging them with scrapes and scratches. Even though the previous owner curbed these poor rims something fierce, I try not to do any additional damage while cleaning them. I'm sure some of you will poke fun at my scrubbing here, and that's perfectly justified. By all means, have at it. It's incredibly difficult to get a good scrubbing angle when trying not to block the whole camera's view, and I've tried moving away from the head cam like in some of my older videos, as some people said it gave them a bit of motion sickness. I will also go ahead and link to Turtle Wax's iron remover and the wheel brush in the description below. I purchased the gallon jug of iron remover, hence why you don't see it in the Turtle Wax official bottle. These links are Amazon affiliate links which help benefit the channel at no additional cost to you. All of your support is always appreciated. After you have your wheels scrubbed and cleaned, go ahead and rinse them off. Rinse out your wheel brush and your driveway while you're at it. If you have any filth still on the surface, just go back and wipe it away with either the wheel brush or a microfiber cloth. Since I didn't bring a cloth with me for now, it's just going to be the wheel brush. Once you're done, just go ahead and repeat the process for the other wheels, and you'll be good to go. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. And before we wrap things up completely, a quick shout out to our channel members. Dobby Lapoos,